Morning sickness, sore boobs, unexpected mood swings. Sound familiar? If you've just found out you're pregnant, welcome to the beautiful chaos of the first trimester. But don't worry, today, I've got your back. Whether it's your first time or not, these first trimester must-haves will make your early pregnancy journey a lot smoother. By the way, if you want more real, relatable pregnancy tips and faith-friendly wellness advice, tap that subscribe button and join our growing community of moms and moms-to-be. 1. Nausea Relief Essentials. One of the first things that hits most pregnant women is nausea. And it doesn't always wait till morning. Stock up on ginger chews, vitamin B6, and Preggy Pops. Even wrist acupressure bands can work wonders. And always keep plain crackers by your bedside. It might sound simple, but trust me, it helps when you wake up queasy. 2. Hydration and Nutrition Helpers. Your body is doing a lot of work right now, so staying hydrated is critical. Get a large water bottle, preferably one with reminders or time markers. If water tastes off, add a slice of lemon or cucumber. Also, switch to prenatal vitamins if you haven't already. Look for ones with folic acid, iron, and DHA. And if swallowing pills is a struggle, go for gummy prenatals. They're easier on the tummy. 3. Rest and comfort gear. Your energy might dip a lot. That's normal. Consider a pregnancy pillow early on to support your growing body, especially if you're trying to get used to side sleeping. Also, comfy bras, preferably wire-free maternity bras, will save you from soreness. And don't forget soft, breathable loungewear. Comfort is key. 4. Emotional and mental wellness. Hormones are real, sis, and so are the tears, over literally anything. Journaling, listening to calming music, or using an app for pregnancy meditation can keep your mood in check. And talk to someone, a partner, a trusted friend, or a pregnancy group online. You're not alone in this. So here's a quick recap of your first trimester survival kit. Nausea helpers like ginger and B6. Hydration plus prenatal vitamins. Rest gear, pillows, bras, and cozy clothes. Mental wellness tools. Every pregnancy is unique, but being prepared makes the difference between surviving and thriving. Got anything else in your survival kit that helped you? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's tip on second trimester changes. You've got this, mama. Yellow heart.